Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2016 Set A NSO question paper for class 2 students. I have already uploaded some other NSO, IEO, IMO and IGKO question papers for class 2 students. You please go to the playlist in students reference and click Olympiad class 2 to get these question papers. First topic is logical reasoning. 1. How many groups of 5 rats can be formed from given animals? You look at the given animals and try to find out the answer. You have to group 5 rats. Read the given options. How to solve this problem? So first we have to group 5 rats. This is one group. 2, 3. You cancel the remaining animals. Okay. So how many groups? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is B, 3. 2. Select the odd one out. You look at the given pictures and try to find out the answer. The answer is B. This monkey has no banana. 3. Trishika celebrated her birthday on 10th October 2000XX. Sidak's birthday falls on the 6th day after Trishika's birthday. On which day Sidak will celebrate her birthday? This is the calendar. We try to find out the answer. The solution part is Trishika celebrated her birthday on 10th October. So 10th October. Sitak's birthday falls on the 6th day after Trishika's birthday. So 6th day. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. 16. So the answer is 16th October, C. 4. Select the correct match of shaded part with corresponding shape formed. You look at the given options carefully and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is C. And this is cube. The shaded part is square. 5. How many burgers will be there in pattern 5? Pattern 1, pattern 2, pattern 3 or given. We have to find the burgers in pattern 5. So try to find out the answer. Pattern 1 has 2 burgers, pattern 2 has 5 burgers and pattern 3 has 8 burgers. We have to find the number of burgers in pattern 5. So to find pattern 5, we have to find pattern 4 also. So to find this, we have to subtract number of burgers in pattern 1 from number of burgers in pattern 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So if we add 3 with 2, okay, we get 5. Likewise, if we add this 3 with this 5, we get 8. So to get pattern 4, we have to add 3 with 8. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Likewise, we have to add 3 with this 11, we get 14. So number of burgers in pattern 5 is equal to 14. So the answer is B, 14. We can find this 3 in another way. In pattern 1, how many burgers are here? 2 burgers. So in pattern 2, how many burgers are here? 5. So we have to remove these 2 burgers from pattern 2. 1, 2. How many burgers are here? 1, 2, 3. 3 burgers are left here. So we have to add this 3 with this 8 to get pattern 4. Likewise, to get pattern 5, we have to add this 3 with pattern 4 value. Okay, we can follow any method. Next topic is science. 6. Select the group in which the odd member is incorrectly circled. You read the given options and try to find out the answer. First one is kidney beans, pea, tomato, brinjal, pumpkin, turnip, cabbage, lettuce, sugarcane, radish, potato, ginger. The correct answer is C. So here cabbage and lettuce are leafy vegetables. Actually we have to circle the sugarcane only. 7. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option. Column 1, column 2, bee, hen, camel, silkworm, shoes, sari, candle, omelette. You try to find out the answer. The first one is B, and here B is connected to candle. Bee wax is used to make candles. So the answer is A3. So option A has A3. So this may be the answer. Answer B has A1. So this is not the answer. And C A4. This is not the answer. D A4. This is not the answer. So the correct answer is A. A only has A3. So no need to check further. 8. Which of the following options on unscrambling does not give a word related to the animal shown in picture? This is a cow. So unscramble these 4 options and find the answer. If we unscramble, we get shed, kennel, milk, calf. So the incorrect one is B. Kennel. Kennel is the home of dog. It is not related with cow. 9. Select the odd one among the following. You look at the given options and find the answer. The odd one is A. It is a creeper. The remaining 3 are shrubs. 10. Select the correct match of the leaf and fruit of a plant. You look at the given options carefully. This is lemon, banana, mango. The answer is D, all of these. 11. Select the option that answers the given riddle. I have 6 legs. I lay eggs, but I cannot fly. Who am I? Spider, mosquito, housefly, head louse. The answer is D, head louse. 12. Study the given diagram. Which letter represents a living thing? This is the given Venn diagram. Can breathe, cannot move on its own, needs food. P, Q, or S. Read the given options and find the answer. The answer is C, R. R means can breathe, needs food. 13. Study the given flowchart and select the option which can fill the empty spaces D, E and F correctly. Types of food D, E, F. Rice, potato, milk, soya bean, fruits, vegetables. You read the given options and find the answer. The solution part is, we know rice and potato are energy giving foods. So D is energy giving food. Option A has D energy giving food and option D has D energy giving food. So B and C are wrong answers. And milk and soya bean are bodybuilding food. So E is bodybuilding food. So E is bodybuilding food and here E is protective food. So D is wrong. A is the correct answer. 14. Ravi is ill. He feels tired all day and cannot work properly. His doctor diagnosed that there is some problem in organ X of his body. So all the other body parts are not getting sufficient oxygen. Identify organ X. This is heart, brain, kidney, stomach. The answer is A. Heart, because heart supplies oxygen to all body parts. 15. The given picture shows that Ali is most likely eating his dash. Look at the given picture, and this is the clock. It shows 1 o'clock. The options are breakfast, lunch, dinner, any of these. So the answer is B. Lunch. 16. In a state of our country, it rains almost daily and heavily. Which of the following types of house will be preferably found there? You look at the given options carefully and find the answer. The answer is C. 17. Weather forecast of a place on a particular day is shown here. The cloths made of fibers obtained from which of the following will be suitable for wearing on this day? This is the given picture. Sunrise, sunset, temperature is 35 degree Celsius. Cotton plant, sheep, yak, rubber tree. The answer is A. Cotton plant, because it is a sunny day. 18. Which of the following are benefits of outdoor activities? They help in bonding with people. They give physical benefits and help in keeping fit. They increase stress and challenges of life. You read the given option and find the answer. Our question is benefits of outdoor activities. So the answer is A. 1 and 2 only. 19. Manu wants to fly a kite. Look at the picture and identify the correct direction in which he should fly the kite. This is the given picture. It shows the wind blows in the west direction. So the answer is B. West. 20. Select the option that correctly arranges the given rocks in ascending order of hardness. You read the given options and find the answer. Ascending order of hardness means we have to arrange the rocks from low level hardness to high level hardness. So the answer is B. Chalk less than sandstone less than granite. 21. Read the following statements made by Sunita and Mohan. Sunita, I need bread, butter, eggs, cupcakes, etc. Mohan, I need medicines. Where should Sunita and Mohan go to buy the things they need? You read the given 4 options and find the answer. The answer is B. Bakery and chemist. 22. Refer to the given picture. What time of the day does it show? You look at the given picture. Read the options and find the answer. And in the given picture, the shadow is in the west part. So the sun is in the east direction. So the answer is C. Morning. The shadow always appears in the opposite direction of the light source or sun. 23. Unscramble the given words to find out the item which can be present in the given room of the house. Look at the given picture. This is bathroom. And you try to unscramble the given options and find the answer. If we unscramble these, we get oven, bucket, toaster, pillow. So the correct answer is B. Bucket. 24. Select the option that will correctly complete the word given in bold in the following statement. We need to wear dash clothes when temperature is low. You try to find out the answer. The answer is woolen when temperature is low. The missing letters are OOLN. So the answer is C. 25. Select the bad habit from the following. We should never touch any electrical gadget with wet hands. We must eat food slowly. We must not get in or out of a moving bus. We should eat food from outside vendors. The answer is D. We should eat food from outside vendors is a bad habit. 26. When Ron got hurt in the school playground while playing, his friends did the following things. Ruchi started crying, Shivi ran away, Sonu called the teacher. Which child did the right thing? Ruchi, Shivi, Sonu, both Ruchi and Shivi. The answer is C. Sonu. 27. Select the incorrect match. Urgent messages, letters, telephone, STD, ISD, internet, email, picture, news, TV. The incorrect one is A. Urgent messages, letters. 28. First aid is the dash. Activity done on the first day of school. Immediate help given to an injured person before the doctor is available. First tooth erupted in a baby's mouth. Student who leads school sports team. The answer is B. 29. Air keeps a fire burning. This feature of air turns dangerous when it helps dash. A candle to burn on a birthday cake, bonfire to burn during Lori celebration, fire in a tree to spread to other trees of forest, in cooking food on a stove. The answer is C. 30. Select the correct match from the following. Valley, small low mountain, pond still water, dam salty water, ocean fresh water. The correct answer is B. Pond still water. Next topic is Achiever section. 31. Refer to the given family tree and select the correct option regarding it. This is the given family tree. Key, square, man, circle, woman, circle with M, marriage. Read the given option and try to find out the answer. The correct answer is B. Ramesh has one married and one unmarried son. Ramesh has one daughter and two sons. One is unmarried and one is married. 32. Refer to the given figure of water cycle and select the incorrect option regarding it. This is the given water cycle picture. Process P is also involved in drying of cloths. Process Q is not necessary in the completion of water cycle and process or can directly follow process P. An increase in process or can lead to floods. Process Q is also observed when small droplets of water are seen on a glass of cold drink. Find the answer. The incorrect one is B. 33. The given diagram shows 4 different places P, Q, R and S on the earth. Select the correct match of travel path and the transport means that can be used to travel it. You read the given options and find the answer. The correct answer is C. R is aeroplane or ship. Or S. 34. Ruhi observed the shadows of 2 poles on the ground at different times of the day and noted their length in a table. If the pole P is of 2 meters in height, then what will be the height of pole Q? This is the given table. You read the given data carefully and read the given options and find the answer. The solution part is at 4 pm, the length of pole P is 2.5 meter and pole Q is 5 meter. The original length of P is 2 meter. So there is only small difference. So this also applicable to pole Q. So if we compare the answer 2 meter and 5 meter, there is a large difference. Likewise in 3 meter and 5 meter, there is a large difference. 4 meter and 5 meter, there is a small difference. So C is the answer. 35. Names of some professionals are hidden in the given word grid. A. How many names are hidden? B. How many of them require skills for the work and not high education? This is the given word grid. You try to find out the professionals. And you read the given options and find the answer. 4 professionals are hidden in the given word grid. Tailor, farmer, barber and plumber. So these 4 professionals require skills only, not high education. So the answer is C, 4, 4. 4 professional, 4 members require only skills, not high education. So my dear students, today we have completed 2016 set A NSO question paper for class 2 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.